Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of y if we have y divided by 19 is equals to minus y, and we solve this problem for all the values of y. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move towards our first method, and in the first method we move this 19 to the right hand side, and you see here this 19 is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this minus y, so it will be written as y is equals to 19 is multiplied by minus y. So further we rewrite this equation as we have y is equals to minus 19 times of y, and in the next step we need to move this minus 19y from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as y plus 19y is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms have same variable, so in order to add these two same variable terms we need to add the coefficients of both of these terms. And you see here the coefficient of this term is 1 only, and the coefficient of this term is 19, so we add these two coefficients and we get here 1 plus 19 is equals to 20y is equals to 0. And because here our target is to find the value of y, so for this we need to remove this 20 from left hand side. For this we just divide both of the sides by 20 in order to eliminate this 20 from left hand side. So when we divide both sides by 20, it will be written as in this form. And now you see here this 20 is cancelled out by this 20, and we will get here in the left hand side is y equals to, and here in the right hand side you see here when we divide 0 with any other number, it is always get the answer is 0. So 0 by 20 becomes here 0. So this means that this equation has only one root, that is y is equals to 0, or in other words we just say that it is the trivial root or trivial solution. So further in the next step we need to verify that is this value of y is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of this value of y, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is y divided by 19 is equals to minus y. This is the our given question statement, and here we substitute the above value of y on both of the sides and we check its behavior. So when we put y equals to 0 to the left hand side, it will become 0 divided by 19 is equals to, this is minus y, becomes here minus times of 0. So here again in the left hand side you see here 0 is divided by 19, and we know that when we divide 0 with any number it will become 0. So this will become here 0. Similarly, if we multiply 0 with any positive or negative number, it is always get answer is 0. So the right hand side minus times of 0 becomes 0. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. So if both of the sides are equal, this means that the value of y is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And we finally conclude about the solution set of the given question is that y is equals to 0. Okay, so y equals to 0 will be the only one solution of the given equation which we get here from this method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. So in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is y divided by 19 is equals to minus y. So here in the second method we will use the LCM technique to find the roots of this equation. For this we move this minus y to the left hand side, and it will be written as y divided by 19. This is negative y. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes positive, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here the denominator of this term is 19, but the denominator of this term is 1. So in order to make the denominator of this term is also 19, we need to multiply and divide this term by 19, and it will be written as y plus 19 plus 19y divided by 19 is equals to 0. So here we just multiply this term by 19 by 19, and further in the next step, we need to take the LCM of this term, and you see here clearly the LCM of this term is 19. So we write here 19 be the LCM. So when we divide this by this, we get here y plus, when we divide this by this, we get here 19, y is equals to 0. And in the next step, we need to move this 19 to the right hand side, and here again you see here these are the two same variable terms, so we add the coefficients of these terms, and we get here 1 plus 19 becomes here 20y, and this 19 multiplied by 0 becomes here 0. So for the values of y, we divide both of the sides by 20. So when we divide it by 20, this is cancelled out by this one, and we get here the value of y is equals to 0 by 20 becomes here 0. So in the second method, we again get the value of y is equals to 0. And also in the first method, we already verified that this value of y is satisfied our given question statement. And this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.